Good morning, grade 3, and welcome to the maths class. Children, last time we had done this. Remember exercise 2, greater, smaller or equal to sign. Now children, I am glad to say that most of you, I think just one or two may have got it wrong. Most of you have got this right. So I will not discuss this, children, but I will put this in the broadcast. So those few children who have got this wrong, you can just have a look. Now today, children, we are moving to a new topic. That's the ascending and the descending order. Okay. What's an ascending order, children? Yes, you have done this last year. When we arrange numbers from the smallest to the greatest, we call it ascending order. Okay, that is from small to big. And descending order is what, children? It is when we arrange numbers from the greatest to the smallest, we call it descending order. Right? Remember this, children, if you are confused, ascending is small. Smallest to the biggest. So the small baby duck, I am not very good at drawing. Baby duck, and then you have the mama duck, and finally you will have the papa duck. So can you see? Small to the greatest. So remember it that way. If you are confused, you remember this. Ascending order, smallest to the greatest. We move like this, in this direction. So that will be your ascending order. And descending order will be what, children? The opposite way. That will be your descending order. That is from the greatest to the smallest. And ascending order is first. Remember that you are first, ascending order. Smallest to the biggest. And descending order is from the greatest to the smallest. So children, today we are going to do ascending and descending order. Right? Now, let's take these numbers. Look carefully here, children. I take this number. This is 1. Let me just write it this side. 1290. My second number is 5437. My third number is 4789. And my next number is 9430. Now, to write in the ascending order, children, we know our place values, right? Unit, tens, hundred, thousand. So let's see the thousands place. When we compare the numbers, children, we look at the highest place value. So the highest place value over here is thousands. Now in the first number, in the thousands place, I have 1. In the second number, in the thousands place, I am having 5. In the third number, in the thousands place, I am having 4. And in the last number, in the thousands place, I have 9. Now, since we are writing in the ascending order, children, what did I tell you ascending order is? Remember that you are small. So from small to big. Now this is very easy, children, to identify. 1, 5, 4 and 9. We are only seeing the first numbers of these numbers, right? Only the first digit we are seeing of these 4 numbers. We have 4 numbers here and we are only now focusing on the first digit of every number. So over here children, which is the least number? Yes, 1. So can I say 1290? Can I write it first? Yes. Now we are done with this number. Now we focus on the remaining 3. Now in this we have to again see the thousands place value. 5, 4 and 9. Now which is the smallest number among 5, 4 and 9? Yes, 4. So it is 4, 7, 8, 9. And finally I have only 2 numbers left. This is 5437 and 9430. So we have to compare the, what did I tell you, first digit of the numbers. So 5 and 4. Which number will be, children? Which is the smallest number, 5 or 9? 5. Very good. So I write 5437. And finally I have here 9430. So this is my ascending order. Now children, what I told you is descending order is what, children? From the greatest to the smallest. So this descending order is easy. Descending orders you will start from here. So 9430, 5, 437, 4789 and finally 1290. Now children, this was really simple. Now let's move to a little complex one. Okay. So now children, we move to the next example. Children, just pay attention here. Pay careful attention because it's a little tricky. It's not difficult but a little tricky. Okay. So the first number is, it's too high. Let me just come a little over. Yes. So the number is 5973. That is 5973. Next number is 5994. 5994. Next number is 5810. 5810. And finally my next number is 5214. Now children, just look here. We start the highest place value. Which is the highest place value, children? 1000. Now here in the thousands place I am having 5. In the second number also I am having 5. Third number also 5. And fourth number is also 5. Right? So I am having the same place value in all the 4 numbers. Now when I complete with the thousands place, I move to the next highest place value. Which is the next highest place value after 1000? Children, remember we are moving from left to right. Okay, this was my highest place value. After thousands place value is my hundreds is my highest place value. So let's see my next place value. So here I am having 9. Here I am having 9. So the thousands and the hundreds place value for both these numbers are same. Right? And here we are having 8. And here we are having 2. Now children, what I will do is, we will compare this hundreds place value 9, 9 and 8 and 2. Now just by seeing it children, we know that 2 is the smallest. So since these 9 being higher than 8 and 2, let's focus on these 2 numbers, right? So 2 is lesser than 8 right? We are comparing the hundreds place. Why we are focusing on these two children? Because 9 is greater than 8 and 2. So 2 is lesser than 8. So in my ascending order, what will I have my first number? I will have this number 5214. 5214. After that is which number, children? 5810. Right? Now we will compare these two numbers. Now children, see here, thousands place is same. Then hundreds place is same. Now what we will do is we will move to the next place value. Which is the next place value greater after hundreds? I told you children, we are moving from the left side. After the hundreds place value is, we have the tens place value. So which is the number in the tens place value? We are having here 7. Can you see your 7? And here I am having 9. Now children, which is a smaller number, 7 or 9? Yes, 7 is lesser than 9. So which number I have to write first, children? 5973. And finally I have this number 5994. So from smallest to the biggest. Now descending order is very simple. Okay, descending order is what, children? Greatest to the smallest. So this is my descending order. So it will be what? 5994, then 5973, then 5810 and 5214. Right? Now children, let's move to our next example. Okay, let me see this. I think most of you should get this. Let's take a number, say 7070. Then let's take a number 6761. Then let's take another number, that is 7065. And finally let's make it 6666. Okay, come on. Now let me see, how do we start? What will we compare, children? First we are comparing the thousands place, the greatest place. Now children, if you look here, this has 7 here, this has 6 here, this has 7 here, and this has 6 here. Oh my. So let's first ignore the 7. We focus on this number and this number, right? We are focusing on this number and this number. Because why, children? Why we are focusing on this number and this number? Because 6 is lesser than 7. So we are comparing 6761 and 6666. So now children, in the thousands place I have 6 and 6. Now I move to the next place. Which is the next place, children? Yes, the next place is the hundreds place. So I am having 7 here and I am having 6 here, right? So I am comparing 6761 and 6666. Now children, if you look in the hundreds place, which number is small? Yes, 6 is smaller than 7, right? So what will I write first, children? Yes, I will write ascending order. So since 6 is small, in the hundreds place, I need to write this number first. So it is 6. God, 6. This is not working. It's working. 6, 6, 6, 6. Then which is the number? 6761. Okay. Now we are done with these two numbers. Now which two numbers is left, children? This and this, right? Now children, look here. In the thousands place 7 and 7, and in the hundreds place I am having 0 and 0, right? So if the thousands digit is same and the hundreds digit is also same, so what do? I will compare the tens digit. In the tens digit, here I have 7, here I have 6. Now children, which is a smaller number, 7 or 6? Yes, again we are comparing the same numbers. So 6 is smaller than 7. Same digits, we are comparing the same digits. See here children, and here same digit. So that means I have to write this number first, right? So it is 7065, and finally it is 7070, right? Now descending order is simple. Descending order, what will you do, children? I told you we are moving from this side, no? So from the right side, which is the first number over here? 7070, then 7065, then 6761, and finally 6666. Right children? So for your homework, children, you are going to do, pay attention, we are going to do this and this. That is on page 6. Page 6, you are going to do question 3 and question 4. Right? That's all children from my side. Thank you and see you in the next class.